I don't normally stop what I'm doing every Harbor Freight deal of the day. There are just too many coupons and sales to chase. But today's deal caught my attention because it's something a lot of us actually use, batteries. And Harbor Freight is putting Bauer and Hercules battery starter kits at 40% off. And if you're like me, you've been wanting to get into that architecture. I noticed they also dropped some pretty good discounts on the Hercules demolition and breaker hammers. So I figured this was worth taking a closer look at. Let's see if there's anything here that's actually worth putting your money into.
We got the 40% off Bauer or Hercules battery and charger starter kits. That's today only, July 21st. Here's Bauer's 5 amp hour 20 volt lithium ion. Very nice size. Regular price $114.99 with a charger. Today only $68.99. Here's Hercules 20 volt 5 amp hour with the battery and charger. Today only $71.99. And as you can see, it was $119.99. What a deal if you're looking to get in this architecture. Next we have 30% off all those Hercules demo rotary and breaker hammers. Just got a couple examples here. You got the Hercules 10 amp 12 pound SDS Max type demolition hammer with the max vibration. Normally $269, today only $188.99. If you've been waiting on this thing, today's the day to buy. And here's the big boy, the Hercules 15 amp 66 pound hex breaker hammer. Also has the vibration control. Normally $649.99, today only $454.99.
So there you have it, Harbor Freight's deal of the day, number 5. For me, the biggest standout isn't necessarily the biggest dollar discount, it's battery starter kits. If you're already invested in Bauer or Hercules, or this is one you're wanting to get into, this is the best time to grab you a battery and a charger and make it make sense. I think I'm going to partake because I've been wanting to try the Bauer. So the biggest Hercules hammers are impressive, but they're really aimed at a much smaller group of people. My goal here isn't to show you every sale Harbor Freight runs. It's to find the ones that make me stop and say, you know, that's actually a good deal. Let me know in the comments. Are you running Bauer, Hercules, or another battery platform? As you can see from me, I'm a hodgepodge. Let me know if these caught your eye. And also come back and let me know what you bought. If this has been helpful, please give me a like and subscribe. And until the next video, y'all take care.